Out here chasing waterfalls with sliding rock. Richmond's already being crazy. Oh wow, that's pretty cool. I think this is where they filmed Last of the Mohicans too. They had them like running up the side of it. That's pretty cool. Saw the waterfalls, saw 5. It's pretty cool. Now we're gonna go to Mount Mitchell. I think to end the day, maybe get a milkshake on the way or something. But it was cool. It's pretty cool.
It was pretty cool.
That was pretty cool. Well, I think that's the end of it. It's been really fun past couple days running around the woods with Rich. Trying to get the Art Loeb Trail done, got 5 waterfalls done. And then we drove to the top of Mount Mitchell and kind of hopped up the thing, so that was fun. It's been a good trip, but I'll be chilling for a few days and then I'll be jumping over to Denver, Colorado. Me and my brother are gonna go climb some mountains out there. So we may do some videos of that, I'm not sure, but yeah, it's been good. I'll see you in the next one. Farther along the way.